Ready to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence and build your own cutting-edge applications? Then let's dive into Google AI Studio, a powerful platform designed for experimenting with and prototyping AI models. First, head over to a Google Dev. Make sure you have a Google account, as you will need to sign in to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. To start a new project, click on the Create New Project button. This will give you options for different types of projects you can start, such as text prompts, image generation, or audio processing. Now, let's create a simple text prompt project. This is where the magic happens here. You can write your prompt or question in the text box, then select a model from the drop-down menu. Google AI Studio offers various models, each with its own strengths and capabilities. For this example, let's choose a general-purpose model like Gemini Pro. Once you're happy with your prompt and model selection, hit the Run button. The platform will then process your prompt and generate a response based on the selected model. You can tweak your prompt and rerun it as many times as you like to refine the output. Google AI Studio also offers various settings and customization options to fine-tune your models and experiment with different parameters. These include things like temperature, which controls the randomness of the output, and the maximum number of tokens, which limits the length of the response. Finally, when you're ready to deploy your creation, Google AI Studio provides options for integrating your model into your applications via API, allowing you to bring your AI-powered solutions to the real world. And that's a quick look at how to use Google AI Studio. This powerful platform empowers you to explore, create, and deploy innovative AI applications for all sorts of use cases. So go forth and build something amazing.